In this quick tutorial, we're going to talk about how to customize your Acuity scheduling links. So when you're sending somebody your link, it typically looks like this. It has app.acuityscheduling.com and then kind of a string afterwards that doesn't make a whole lot of sense and doesn't look very pretty. So if we want to customize it, we're going under client scheduling page link. We're going to change the link name, and this is going to change the base part of the URL. You can use your name, your company name, whatever you'd like, and it will tell you if it's already been taken by somebody else by appearing red. Click Save, and you now have a cleaner URL base. To clean up the after part, if you're sending to a direct calendar or appointment type, we will come select what we want to use. So maybe location 1, so you can see that it's kept the customized base, but now is using a calendar ID at the end. So instead, we can customize this to be the name of the calendar or whatever you would like. Same thing for appointment types. Simply change these to what they are, and then these links will work in place of the long, ugly links.